I'm Sohaib. I'm a freshman at AUIS. I'm studying AI and robotics here. I'm going to talk about why I chose to study AI and robotics here and why you should too. AI has become an integral part in today's workplace. It's becoming more and more integrated in both the workplace and academia. Studying AI will help us understand and better develop technologies of automation and artificial intelligence to make them better integrated in our day-to-day life. AI is kind of a new major here. It's not a common major in the region, and AUIS is the first university to offer a major as advanced and as recent as AI. The major is comprehensive. It covers both topics of AI and automation and technical parts of robotics. So if you study AI and robotics here, you will have a better understanding of today's scene of automation and how AI works, plus the technical parts about robotics and how you can implement AI in a physical sense.